Hello, beautiful people. This is another banger. What if I tell you you can make your banana bread without flour and sugar? Let's go. Firstly, I blend my oats into a powder form. The ingredients will be listed in description, caption, or comment below. This combination is filling, high in protein, and naturally sweet, perfect for a balanced bake. Next, mash the banana, add eggs, add cottage cheese, add vanilla extract, add vegetable oil, honey. Mix all the wet ingredients thoroughly until it all well combine. It might take extra time to dissolve due to the cottage cheese. Next is the blended oats, baking soda, salt, baking powder. Mix all the ingredients thoroughly. Cover to rest for a while. Grease your pan with either butter or oil. Pour the batter into a pan and garnish with sesame seed and almond nuts. This old cottage cheese banana bread is high in protein, rich in fiber and natural sweet. So it keeps you full, support digestion and give you steady energy without a sugar crash. At this time, my oven is preheated to 175 degrees Celsius. Bake for 50 to 55 minutes. Voila! My highly potent oats and cottage cheese banana bread is fully ready. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, share, and save for later. Follow for more nutritional recipe. Thank you for watching and see you later. Bye.